day, Mom and Sir. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Rachel Bajado. I'm 33 years old. I'm a single. I live in Laguna, Philippines. I have one brother, age of 37 years old, and my sister is age of 35 years old. I'm the youngest. My previous work is from a Filipino family, live in Philippines. I work since 2019 to 2021. My main job is to taking care of one adult, one elder, 83, age of 83 years old, and two children. I clean a one bedroom, one living room, one toilet. And my main job is to cook a Filipino dish, ironing clothes, washing their clothes, and cleaning the garage. Ma'am, sir, please hire me. I'm trustworthy, I'm joyful, and I'm a happy person. Thank you.